This is a product, cranberry almond granola, and Clifton Market has that. I don't see anywhere else. That is absolutely delicious. They also make a dark chocolate chip in chunks. You can eat them as a snack or have them for cereal with milk. They're really good.
Thank you.
What a weekend for grocery store workers. No matter the size of the store, lines are full and many shelves are empty.
We've had a couple of extra deliveries to be able to keep up on some of our milk and bread and our produce that people buy a lot of. And we're just kind of hanging in there.
At the Clifton Market, office manager Alice Collins says there was a line when the store opened at 8 a.m.
It's been pretty busy. The fact that we're going to have a massive snowstorm coming up here and Valentine's Day weekend, so it's been busier than usual.
Yeah, I've been to the grocery stores. I've been to 3 now. And so I guess this is number 4. So most of them are packed to the rafters with people. It's really hard to find a car.